Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Pick a needle with an eye that fits the thread, too large and it frays, too small and it won't pass. Cut the tip at a sharp 45 degrees, exposing about 1/2 inch to guide it. Once done, rest the fabric in your hoop and hold the needle between thumb and forefinger. Keep your other hand steady to prevent wobble. This setup reduces fumble during threading and keeps tension even, so make sure to secure the hoop and anchor the thread before the next. You now focus on getting the thread through the eye. Decide single or double based on strength needs. Double adds bulk, single keeps detail. Use a needle threader if the eye is tiny, or moisten the tip so fibers compress and slide. Place the threader or tip at the center of the eye and push gently. Once through, pull slowly and keep even tension so the thread doesn't twist. If you feel resistance, back off and realign. That prevents fraying and accidental knots during punching. You're finishing. Secure the thread tail with a small knot or a quick backstitch about 1 inch from the eye so it won't pull through when you punch. Trim excess to roughly 1/4 inch to avoid snagging, and keep steady tension as you work. Inconsistent tension causes loops and uneven stitches. If the thread frays or won't go through, stop, cut a fresh angled tip or apply a bit of thread conditioner, and rethread. This single troubleshooting step solves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.